Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to mute a chat forever in WhatsApp on Android. So this is my Android smartphone, so let's start. So just find your WhatsApp on your Android and then tap on it to open it. So let me find mine. So here is my WhatsApp. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that guys you have to come to this a chats tab. So if you have some other tabs selected like status or calls, just tap on this chats in order to open this, and then just go to the chat that you want to mute forever. So I want to mute this chat forever. So what you need to do, you have to tap and hold on that. So let me tap and hold on this until I see this options. And you can see guys here we have this mute this button. So you have to tap on this. I'm tapping on it, and you can see I have this pop-up mute notifications for, and here we have three options: 8 hours, 1 week, and always. And guys, if you don't see this always this option, then you need to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So just go to the Play Store and update your WhatsApp to the latest version, and after that you will get this option always. So in order to mute a chat forever in WhatsApp, what you need to do, you have to tap on this always this option. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now selected, and after that you have to tap on this OK link. So let me tap on this, and you can see guys it's now muted. You can see the mute button next to this chat. And suppose guys if you want to unmute that, then again you have to tap and hold on this chat. So let me tap and hold on this, and you can see I have all these options over here, and here we have this unmute this button. So you have to tap on this. Let me tap on this, and you can see it's now unmuted, but I want to mute this. So let me tap and hold on this until I see this options over here, and here we have this mute this button. Let me tap on this, and I have this pop-up, and here we have this always this option already selected. So if you have some other option selected like 8 hours or 1 week, just tap on this always this option, and after that just tap on this OK link. Let me tap on this, and you can see it's now muted. And after that you can close your WhatsApp if you want. So let me close that. So that's it. In this way you can easily mute a chat forever in WhatsApp on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.